Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 best legal live TV apps for Samsung Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. At number 1, Samsung TV Plus. Samsung TV Plus comes pre-installed on Samsung Smart TVs and offers a wide range of live channels. It provides news, entertainment, and sports without any subscription. At number 2, Pluto TV. Pluto TV delivers live TV channels along with on-demand content across various categories. It includes movies, news, and shows, all accessible for free. At number 3, Tubi. Tubi offers a mix of live TV and on-demand streaming with a large content library. It is completely free and supported by ads, making it a great option. At number 4, Plex. Plex provides access to live channels along with its streaming features. It combines personal media libraries with free live television. At number 5, Hulu. Hulu offers premium live channels including sports, news, and entertainment. It requires a subscription but delivers high-quality streaming content. That's it for this video. Thanks.